In our quest for the ultimate in comfort and style, we often overlook the importance of what we wear on our feet after rigorous activities. That's where the men's UA Ignite Select slides by Under Armour come into play with their superior design and unmatched comfort. These slides are not just a footwear choice, they're an investment in your comfort and well-being, designed to cradle your feet in comfort after a demanding workout session or long day. Memory Foam Footbed. Dive into a close-up of the slide's memory foam footbed, which contours precisely to your foot, offering personalized comfort that soothes and supports. Fixed strap with additional foam. A detailed look at the fixed strap reveals added foam padding, ensuring that slides feel soft and comfortable against your skin, avoiding any discomfort or chafing. The EVA outsole for durability and traction. Here, the robust EVA outsole is designed for lasting wear and superior traction, making every step secure and comfortable. While the UA Ignite Select slides excel in providing post-activity relaxation and casual wear versatility, it's important to note that they might not fit as a shower sandal. The interior cloth on the upper part of the slide, while enhancing comfort, is probably not suitable for wet environments. In summary, the men's UA Ignite Select Sandals is a great example of post-workout luxury and casual comfort, blending innovative design with functionality that meets your everyday needs. If you're looking for footwear that adds comfort and style, look no further than these Under Armour slides.